Hola estudiantes, soy yo, Profesora Williams. Welcome to our fourth week with verbos con cambios en el raíz, aka stem change boot verbs. They are often called boot verbs as well. So yet again, you're going to start to see that similar flow, that similar process to our modules, where we start with una presentación, we have some práctica, discusión, una tarea, y una prueba, but this time la prueba happens to be un examen. So we have a review of the content, but now we'll have all three of these combined. Verbos yo irregulares, los verbos reflexivos, y los verbos con cambios en el raíz, and it'll include and incorporate all of our vocabulario from this content as well. So let's get into the content module overview. Verbos con cambios en el raíz. Video will be located here in between the banner and our breakdown of the 4 columns. And again, after this, just a reminder, we have a larger summative test this time. So we will again be practicing and by the end be able to know and or do una discusión with the stem change, again often called boot verbs with up to 80% grammatical accuracy. And in our summative assessment, which happens to be our test, we will be doing those stem change boot verbs in addition to having the reflexive verbs and the yogo verbs come back again. The learning activities, as I've already mentioned, are la presentación con notas y la práctica. You'll have that same link with the conjuguemos.com that we've been using to practice and drill practice. It will have the flashcards for you and ways to prep and practice. Our assessments this time are the 3 that I've already mentioned, la discusión, where I expect that video recording and that you address the list of questions that I provide, una tarea with further drill practice of the grammatical concept, and this time un examen, a test within the 3 modules. So the resources are fairly similar, this time just for our stem change boot verbs with the Study Spanish, the Spanish dictionary, and then how to insert that Yuja capture video content into Blackboard. Again, it's there if you need it. You'll expect to receive an announcement from me, comment back, give me a comment, send me an email, ask any questions you might have, and make sure you're practicing and reviewing for that chapter test. Adiós y hasta luego.